Let's start off with brushing and detangling the hair. The S Scalp Cleanser is a great product for deep cleaning the scalp. Use the tail of the comb or your finger to section your hair. Squeeze the tube and apply S Cleanser directly to the scalp. Then massage the product into the scalp and allow the cleanser to do its job. Continue to apply S Cleanser to the rest of the scalp. Most of the time, we focus application to the top of our scalp and along the front near the hairlines. The S Cleanser helps to promote healthier scalp and relieve sensitivity by removing dirt, dandruff, and excess oil. It is a great treatment for oily and itchy scalp. It contains salicylic acid to deep clean and unclog the pores in the scalp. It has biotin, panthenol, niacinamide, which promote healthy hair growth. The S Cleanser contains two powerful growth factors. The first one is basic fibroblast growth factors, which help to make our hair cycle longer. The second one is vascular endothelial growth factors, which help to increase formation of blood vessels, which in turn increase circulation to the scalp and help to bring more nutrients to the hair follicles. It also contains other beneficial ingredients to deeply nourish, hydrate, and restore the scalp. It is an important step for individuals who regularly apply heat, hair color, hairsprays, and gels to the scalp and hair. After you finish applying the S Cleanser to the rest of the scalp, wait 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Use a comb or brush to detangle your hair before washing. Check the water temperature to ensure it is not too hot or too cold. Proceed to completely rinse off the S Cleanser from the scalp. Some people may not need to do the S Scalp Cleanser step, but you should always thoroughly wet your hair before shampooing. Add 1 pump of Ultra Scalp Care shampoo onto the palm. Rub the shampoo between hands with a little bit of water to emulsify it before massaging it onto the scalp. 1 pump of shampoo is good enough for most cases, but you can always add more if deemed necessary. Ideally, we shampoo our hair twice. The first wash removes excess dirt and oil. If you have dirty or oily scalp, you may see very little to no foam or lather. This is also why the first wash is so important to help lift and loosen any buildup and dirt off the scalp, so we can properly cleanse the scalp and hair in the next wash. When you're ready, thoroughly rinse off with lukewarm water. The Ultra Scalp Care shampoo contains key ingredients like copper tripeptide 1 to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. It has biotin and DHT blockers to help restore scalp health. It increases hair strength and density by blocking hormones like DHT and testosterone to prevent hair loss and hair thinning. Again, add 1 pump of shampoo onto the palm. Rub the shampoo between hands with a little bit of water to emulsify it before massaging it onto the scalp. The second wash is key. Use the fingertips to gently massage the shampoo into scalp, allowing the product to penetrate and to unclog or remove excessive oils and buildups. This round of shampooing, you will be able to see foam or lather during your wash. The Ultra Scalp Care shampoo works well for both men and women, as well as color-treated hair. Take your time to massage the scalp and allow the products to really do its job. Once you're ready, thoroughly rinse off all the products with lukewarm water. After you finish with the shampoo, take 1 pump of the Ultra Scalp Care Nutritioner Rub between hands to distribute the product evenly onto palms and fingers. First, use the fingertips to massage the nutritioner to the front of the scalp, including the hairline. Rub the hands together again to evenly distribute the product. Use the entire surface of the fingers to massage the nutritioner onto the top and crown of the scalp. Rub the hands together one more time. Use the palms and all fingers to apply the remaining nutritioner onto the rest of the scalp, including the ends of the hair. It is best to leave the nutritioner on the scalp for at least 3 to 5 minutes. We can massage the scalp while waiting. Option 1, if you have the scalp brush at home, use either 1 or 2 brushes to massage the scalp in sections like this. You can divide the scalp into roughly 8 sections, 4 on each side. Move back and forth about 10 times in each area. Option 2, if you don't have any brushes, just use your fingers to massage the product into the scalp. The massaging motion also helps to improve scalp circulation, relieve scalp tension, and promote the penetration of the product to increase efficacy. The nutritioner works best on the roots or the scalp. It will provide essential nutrients to the scalp and hair. When the time's up, thoroughly rinse off all the products with lukewarm water. The Ultra Scalp Care Nutritioner helps to provide nutrients to scalp and hair. It has key ingredients such as copper tripeptide 1 and biotin to promote stronger and thicker hair growth and prevent hair loss or hair thinning. It has betaine to soothe dry scalp, to treat dandruff, and provide moisture. It has shea butter to relieve scalp sensitivity with anti-inflammatory properties. It also has 8 types of amino acids to enhance glossiness and restore damaged hair follicles. After rinsing off, squeeze your hair gently to remove excess water. Then use a towel to dry hair. Press and squeeze your hair with the towel. Be mindful not to rub your hair too aggressively, as this will cause frizz, damage, or breakage. You can move on to blow dry your hair, or if you have our hair treatment serums or sprays at home, this is the time to use them before blow drying the hair. Depending on your concern, we have a few treatment serum options. The first one is our E-Hair Essence. Take 1 pump onto the palm. Rub hands together to distribute the serum between the fingers, and then comb through the lower section of the hair shafts and to the ends of your hair. The E-Essence will restore and hydrate the hair to prevent frizz, to detangle hair, to offer UV protection, to repair damage, and to prevent hair loss with growth factors. It is a non-greasy formula with quick absorptions when rubbed into the hair. The second treatment option is our C Calming Serum. Use a comb or your fingers to part and section hair. Spray the serum directly onto the scalp, then gently massage the product in. It is clinically proven to treat redness, inflammation, itchiness, dryness and dandruff, acne, etc. The third treatment option is our Tea Scalp Tonic. It is great to treat itchy, dry, flaky scalp. Its formulation contains a Korean herb extract, various vitamins and minerals, along with 12 different plant growth factors to make hair stronger, to stimulate hair follicles, and to prevent hair thinning. The fourth treatment option is our G Tonic. You can pour the solution into a spray bottle for better application. For better results or more severe cases of hair loss, we can add PGF powder or first powder, sometimes both, to target certain conditions. This serum is packed with numerous different growth factors, peptides, and other nutrients to activate and boost hair growth, to target male and female pattern baldness, as well as to prevent hair loss and thinning. Lastly, you can blow dry your hair and style as usual.